Most people wait for big wins to feel thankful. But here's the mechanics. What you reflect on, you reinforce. And gratitude is precision feedback. When you're stuck pushing tasks, looping plans, chasing results, gratitude feels like fluff. It's easy to dismiss. But what is actually happening is much deeper. Without daily gratitude, your nervous system doesn't register growth. You build without integration. You scale without presence. You burn your future fuel. Gratitude isn't reflection. It's spiritual diagnostics. When done right, it's not just being thankful. It's a system check between your language, actions, and source signal. Daily gratitude maps signal to structure. It aligns your inner map with actual upgrades. Here's how to run a daily gratitude cycle that actually converts energy into clarity. 3 steps. Spot. Sync. Signal. 1. Spot. What's real now? Don't reach for hype. Search for alignment. What small outcome today signals that something real moved? Maybe you kept your word. Maybe you paused before reacting. These micro wins are structural data. 2. Sync. Feedback to field. Name it clearly and speak it out loud or write it down. Say why it matters. Example. I finished a task I'd been avoiding that proves my system held under pressure. This syncs nervous system with progress. Your field updates. 3. Signal. What's next? End your gratitude check with this. This shows I'm ready for, and fill in what you're being primed for. This tells your field where to allocate signal next. This is precision prayer, not hope, not request. Orientation. Gratitude done daily, done right, doesn't just track blessings. It commands evolution. Use your daily gratitude as part of your Ascend Core to Unity Tack shift. Practice Spot Sync Signal every evening. Learn more systems for ascension alignment at ascendcorps.com.